can move a little bit forward. Now let's discuss something. Now amino acids are grouped majorly into four. Are you getting it? We have the non-polar, we have the polar amino acids, we have the acidic amino acids, and we have the basic amino acids. So those are the four groups of amino acids. Now they are grouped based on their side chain. Based on their side chain. Now, for example, when let's talk about the non-polar amino acids. So let's talk about the non-polar. So we have the glycine. We have the glycine. We have the alanine. We have the valine. We have the glycine, alanine, valine. We have the methionine. We have the phenyl alanine. We have the tryptophan. We have the leucine, and we also have the isoleucine. So these are the amino acids. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we also have the methionine. So these are the non-polar amino acids. So now back to the other one. Now let's talk about the polar one. These are the polar amino acids. So the polar, we have the serine, we have the threonine. So then after the threonine, we have the aspartame, we have the glutamine, and we also have the cysteine. So these are the polar amino acids. So now back to the acidic. So the acidic amino acid, we have acidic, we have aspartic acid, and glutamic acid. So we have aspartic and glutamic acid. Then finally we have the basic amino acid. Basic, we have the histidine. We have the lysine, and we also have the arginine. So these are all the 20 amino acids we have in the body. This is the group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. So these are the 20 amino acids we have in our body. So let's proceed further. So these are the amino acids. Now they are classified based on the side chains they have. For example, now this one, the non-polar ones, they are called non-polar because they are the R part. You know, I mentioned something about the R part. So let me extend it a little bit. So this is our N. This is the amino group. This is the R. This is the C. This is the OH. So now the R part. For example, now when the R is hydrogen, so such amino acid is said to be non-polar. It's said to be non-polar. Hydrogen or is an alkene. So look at it now. This is the structure of glycine. This is the structure of glycine. So before we proceed, let's talk about the structure of alanine. The structure of alanine. So this is the R part. Are you getting it? Now let me quickly mention something here, that the difference between one amino acid and the other is the R part. Are you getting it? It's the R part. For example, now the R part of alanine of glycine is H. Are you getting? Is H. Now the R part of alanine is CH3. Can you see? So this is alanine now. That's how to differentiate. Now the R part of valine, that's VALINE, is C. We have H here. We have CH3 here, and finally we have CH3 here. Can you see? So this is the R part of valine. So this is the difference between one amino acid and the other amino acid.